Today we are taking a look at the Minix Tech Ear Care Plus, a smart ear cleaning device that combines an HD camera, LED lighting, and a smart connectivity to give you real-time view inside your hair. The box is a clean and premium looking design with the product image and some key features on this side, product related information. And if we look at this side, the technology used to build the otoscope, we can clearly see. Let's remove the protective wrap. The packaging feels well presented and secure. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. A user manual. There are some attachments here. Here speculum, nozzle speculum, and this one is tongue depressor. USB Type A to Type C charging cable. This one is a silicone ear canal protector, and here it is the main product. Neat design, good color combination. The product case is absolutely perfect and well finished. Now let's take a closer look at the device. First thing we can notice is the sleek and modern design. The finish feels smooth and compact pen-like shape, which is very comfortable to hold. At the tip, we will find the HD camera module surrounded by LED lights. Lights are designed to see inside the darker area of ear canal, and this is the accessory tray, which includes all different types of earphones, tweezer components, and a lens brush. This protective plug prevents accidental pushing inside your ear canal, making it very useful. Here you can see a millimeter scale, so you can set the plug to a specific depth to ensure don't go too far or risk approaching the eardrum. The device has a hose in front that can bend left or right. The scale should always stay forward. The hose can bend up to 270 degrees, allowing us to align it properly and use it to clean our hair. Now let's connect the EarCare Plus to a smartphone. Once you scan the QR code, you will see the link. Click on the link. It will redirect to the application page so that you can download. Now let's open the application. Okay, now turn on the device. The light will keep on blinking so that network is discoverable. You can connect to the network. You can see Minix Tech with the model number. Once you connected, you can ready to go and use. Here we go. Device has a high definition camera which transfers 20 frames per second. Video is very smooth and high clarity. There's a gyro sensor to keep tip in the same position in the picture. This option flips the image to use right or left ear canal. In this tab, you can find the captured images and recorded videos. This help section is to find any help you needed, and this about section is to any firmware update you can update here. You can go through all this. Now for the most interesting part, the real-time demonstration. As I gently place the device into the ear canal, you can immediately see how clear the camera feed is. The built-in LED lights illuminate the entire area, allowing the camera to capture detailed visuals. You can clearly see walls of ear canal and various internal structures. As we carefully move deeper, we can even see the eardrum, which is fascinating to view in real time. The image quality is impressive and provides a level of visibility that's difficult to achieve with the traditional ear cleaning tools. The silicone tips can be removed and replaced easily. Different attachments may use it depending on cleaning task and personal preferences. Now I'm just attaching the tweezer. Switching them takes only few seconds. Now you can see clearly the tweezer is attached. Using the live camera feed, you can monitor exactly where the attachment is positioned, allowing for more controlled cleaning. One of the biggest advantage here is visibility. You can see what you are doing instead of relying purely on feel. This product stands out with its thoughtful design and high quality materials, ensuring both safety and comfort. The competitive pricing makes it accessible while still offering a host of features like adjustable angles and long-lasting battery and user-friendly scale for precision. It's a safe, efficient, and convenient. If you are looking for a reliable solution, this might be it. Check out the link in the description and give it a try. Also, drop a like and comment below. Make sure you subscribed and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching.